Making focaccia at home. Do you think this is easy? Is it doable? Assume you are a basic baker. Assume you have a basic supply of ingredients. And yes, you have an oven. So, I am from Kolkata, India. I am a basic baker and I make focaccia at home using basic ingredients. Before we go ahead with the recipe, let us understand focaccia. Focaccia is a popular Italian yeast-leavened flatbread. It is easily recognized by its flat shape, crisp exterior, pillowy-soft interior, and distinctive finger-pressed dimples on the surface. And of course, it is very easy to make focaccia at home. Let us see how. This focaccia recipe requires 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To begin, we will prepare the dough using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we will add 1 and 2/3 cups of warm water. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of active yeast, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We will make a sticky dough using a spatula and then knead it with our hands. If available, you can use a stand mixer. This mixing part will take around 5 minutes if you are not using any machine for this. Now our dough is ready for further process to make perfectly baked focaccia at home. After mixing, cover the bowl with cling film and a moist cloth and leave it at room temperature for 2 hours to allow the initial rise or first rise. After this time, the dough will turn fluffy and bubbly. Now use your fingers to check the dough. The dough is now ready. Meanwhile, get your bread tins ready. I used 2 bread tins, one 9-inch square and one 8-inch circular. Apply oil to both bread tins. After that, transfer half of the mixture to each tin. Using your fingers, press and stretch the dough into the right form for the tin. Once finished, cover both bread tins with a moist cloth. Keep them at room temperature for an hour to allow for the second rise. After 30 minutes, open the cloth and lightly apply water to the top of the dough before covering with the wet cloth to complete the procedure. After 1 hour, the dough will double in size, become fluffy and bubbling. Wet your fingers with water or oil to produce deep dimples. Press your fingers straight down through the dough until they contact the bottom of the bread tin. Now apply some olive oil on the top. The next step is to flavor the focaccia. I used fresh parsley and cherry tomatoes for this. In addition, I added homemade garlic confit to enhance flavor. I have also added part of the oil from the confit garlic. I will share the process of making garlic confit at home here at Debjanir Rannaghar in the next video also. and I will update this link. To make your favorite focaccia, try adding olives, rosemary, thyme, different cheeses, and even bacon. The possibilities are infinite. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for 25 minutes on the middle rack at 200 degrees Celsius. Then sprinkle with sea salt and bake for another 15 minutes at the same temperature until the top of the focaccia is golden and crispy. Remove the bread tin from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes. And yes, your freshly baked focaccia is ready to be enjoyed. For some more flavor, top the focaccia with the flavored garlic oil and enjoy the freshly baked homemade focaccia. Please share your thoughts in the comment area about this focaccia recipe. Tell me what other dishes you would like me to post at Debjanir Rannaghar. I'll do my best to return shortly with a new recipe. Until then, stay safe.